An injury to one is the concern of all was the slogan of Larkin's Union in 1913. The core mission of the union will always be collective organising, but this cannot be achieved without the protection of every single member at work. Larkin's words carry on as the proud slogan of the Workers' Rights Centre, SIPTU's professional advice and representational service for members.
The Workers' Rights Centre provides a service to members that contact us because they find themselves in difficulty with their employers. A lot of our members would be in employments where there wouldn't be union recognition. The advocates in the Workers' Rights Centre would have had training in their workplaces, and they would have gone on now and they would have employment law degrees, and some of them have gone on and are training to be barristers.
I previously worked in manufacturing for 13 years where I was a shop steward. I'm now an advocate with the Workers' Rights Centre.
I worked as a lawyer in Polish trade union Solidarność and then in SIPTU as an organizer for last 10 years. Now I'm in the Workers' Rights Centre. Ja mówię po polsku, ja говорю тоже по русскому языку.
The Workers' Rights Centre offers expert advice and empathetic support when you, the member, need it most.
I first got in contact with the Workers' Rights Centre on the day that my employer refused me my condition of employment, which was maternity pay. When I came in first, I was asked questions as to how I was feeling, how it was affecting me, and that process that I was going through was acknowledged and supported. 3 years and 8 months later, I finally got the result that I always wanted, and I was successful with my case.
I'm a member of SIPTU. I'm part of the private healthcare sector, and my company, because it's very anti-union, I'm a confidential member. A little while back, I was called into the office in work and was told that my hours were going to be completely decimated, and if I didn't like it, that I could leave. Thankfully though, I had joined SIPTU a few months earlier and I had all the documentation, so I rang up the Workers' Rights Centre and got through to very, very helpful people. And thanks to the Workers' Rights Centre, I am still working for my company. I'm still working on my original contracted hours.
The Workers' Rights Centre would take advice from the Legal Rights Unit. The Legal Rights Unit would also provide training for the advocates, and they would update us on legislation on a regular basis.
Our advocates fight to protect our members' employment rights on a daily basis. You'll find us on the job, at the tribunals and in the Labour Court. SIPTU's Workers' Rights Centre has opened 20,700 cases on behalf of workers since 2010.
Not all employers are bad employers, but there are employers out there that take advantage of people. And when you can help a person to get even if it's their minimum legal rights, that in itself gives you a good sense of feeling that you've done a good day's work.
Remember, an injury to one is the concern of all.
Krzywda jednej osoby jest problemem nas wszystkich.
An injury to one is the concern of all.